टिकट मिग 23 पे देख सकते हैं। गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर सीखने के बाद
start with an original musical rendition by the cadets of Kerala and Lakshadweep Directorate.
And Kunjan Nambiar to the last stage of Kathakali. This is Kerala, a living treasury of music, literature, performing arts, where every tradition still breathes and speaks.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy this cultural celebration.
साक्षरता से भरा हुआ हमारा
Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh.
proudly represent Bihar and Jharkhand directly.
जिसका प्रभुत्व विराट, वो था महान अशोक सम्राट, 20वीं सदी के भारत का अनंत रंग।
I am indeed delighted to be present here at the Republic Day Camp 2026. When I look at the young, smiling and bright faces in front of me, I see a future vibrant India. And that is what I have seen over the interactions which I had with some of you at Navy House on the 14th, the Makar Sankranti day. All the participants of RDC 2026, all those who took part in today's events, I was very much impressed with the the drill and movement of the guard, of course, the mesmerizing performance by the band. We had organized the All India Nausainik camp at INS Shivaji, and that will be the true gain from the endeavor with a lot of effort which many people have put in to groom you over the years and to take you through this journey of life. If you don't do that, all that would go to waste. So my request to you is to, whatever you have learned here, continue to make use of that. Whatever vocation you choose in your coming up years. So, okay, the first and perhaps the most important lesson I have learned in my life is self-discipline. I am aware that your motto is unity and discipline, but I am not talking of the discipline which is enforced. जब कोई डंडा लेके खड़ा होता है तो आप तो काम करोगे ही. When somebody is watching you, somebody is telling you to do something, some order is given, you will do it, all that. You will not achieve the level of success in your life if you lack self-discipline. एक मैं आपको किताब कोट करना चाहता हूँ, उसका नाम है Atomic Habits, written by a gentleman called James Clear. So आप सोचिए आप कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच सकते हैं अगर आप केवल 1% improve करें अपनी qualities. Let your conduct reflect the discipline, integrity, dignity, and sense of duty that this institution represents. मोड़ पे कभी मुलाकात होगी तो फिर अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताइएगा कभी. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय हिंद. धन्यवाद.
We request you, sir, for a photograph. Thank you, sir.